Right, don't lose money or happiness by buying in the wrong neighborhood. This video is going to be going in depth with 3 sure-proof ways to know you're buying a home in the right neighborhood, and it's going to be awesome, okay? So sure-proof way number 1 is check out the grading and the way the land lays around the neighborhood. Make sure you're checking out the surrounding neighborhoods, making sure they're not on a hill or higher up from you, which could cause all the water to run into your neighborhood, especially, for making, for really wet springs, higher risk of basement flooding, and just swampy land. Sure-proof way number 2, what do your neighbor properties look like? I always like to look at the exterior of my neighbor's homes, just see what the condition looks like. With the way the yard looks, has their lawn been mowed recently? You'll be doing yourself a huge favor by buying beside somebody that takes pride in their property. And lastly, number 3, do they have a Facebook group? Now, this isn't quite, as important as number 1 and 2. However, it does go a long way. A Facebook community is great for sharing anything such as, events going on, issues happening in the community, garage sales, and it can also make for an easy icebreaker for introducing yourself and connecting with others in the area. So if you're buying a home, guys, make sure you watch for these 3 things to make sure you're buying the right neighborhood for you. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Please reach out with any questions you have and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't so far for our weekly video updates. My name is Talon Jeb, guys. On behalf of our Jeb Realty team, we wish you success in achieving your real estate goals, and we look forward to serving you again next week.